Hey guys, it's Rachel, and this will be my first episode of Random Rachel, and it's just basically, my show with just random stuff that I'm doing lately. It's kind of like a vlog about me and stuff. First order of business. First order of business. Today, it is my best friend Savannah's birthday, so happy birthday, my dear biological sister. Happy birthday to you. And, Savannah, you are my best friend, and I love you so much. Kiss, kiss. Second order of business, I went to her party last night, and, yeah, it was an amazing party. Amazing birthday party, because, she always makes her own cake, and it's always so good. But you will never guess what we did. And, I want you to guess anyway, so I'm going to give you 10 seconds to think of your answer. Time's up. Alright, so, your answer probably wasn't what the real answer was, because the real answer was we were making a horror film. And most of you who would know me is like, what? Rachel made a horror film? She's terrified of horror films. But since I'm an actress, I have to adapt to any movie that I'm cast a role in. So, yeah. It was me, Savannah, the birthday girl, obviously she was there, Christina, Catherine, Molly, Missy, and Michael. There were a lot of M's, and there were a lot of K's. And of course me, just being, me and Savannah were like 2 P's in a pod, R and S, and then like 2 K's and 3 M's. So, basically, it's about just everybody getting killed. Just classic horror. And so, I was Chloe. I was the first one to die. That's kind of how it happened. And I was a whore, basically, not actual, but just, like, kind of slutty. And so, Missy, who was a director, she made me take off my jacket, put on, like, this really lacy, like, overshirt thing over this, and, like, tied my tank top up like this, and pulled down like that, and, like, stayed like that for, like that. And so it was really, really slutty, and it made me really uncomfortable, but, for the dude was kind of uncomfortable, too, not real making up, it's just, like, but I had to do that too, so. And then there is Savannah, who played Zoe, the main character of the story. Well, from the beginning, she's the main character. Towards the end, another character is the main character. But I won't spoil it for you. She played Zoe, my Chloe's horror's best friend, and she was also the last one to die. Next is Christina. She played the drunken mother of Zoe. I get this two mixed up so often. She played the drunken mother of Zoe, and she died right after me. Then there's Molly, who played Joanna, the younger or older sister, we never really specified, of Zoe, and also the daughter of Christina, the drunken mother. She didn't die at all. Excuse me, I just burped. And then there was Michael. He played the hot soccer captain, Eric. But, of course, him being him, he wanted to be named Aladdin, or Sebastian. And he was Eric, though. Then there was Catherine, who was Brad, who was seen in the first, part of it. And she was also the mass murderer killer who ends up falling in love with Joanna, the emo kid. in the end. I didn't go. So it's a pretty good movie, and everybody dies except Molly and Catherine. Spoiler. I'm really bad at not doing spoilers. Yeah, and anyway, Missy produced and shot the whole thing, well, most of it. It was kind of moody in the morning when we finished it, so I shot most of the stuff, because I was already dead. So, yeah. Basically, that's it. It was amazing. Chocolate cake and Little Caesar's pizza. It was nice. Horror movies, Jennifer's Body. And yeah, and now I'm home. And my grandma's like, why is she talking to herself? And then I look and like, oh, she's filming herself. Why is she filming herself? And yeah, but they all think I'm completely crazy, and that's partially true, so I guess it's okay. And also, there's probably going to be a sequel to the horror movie, and don't worry, you can watch it. I will put up a link soon as we are done editing it, because we had lots and lots of bloopers. You know, me just busting out laughing when I was supposed to be dead, or somebody falling on top of me. So the movie will be out on YouTube shortly, and it will either be on my channel and on somebody else's channel, or it'll just be a link on in the description of one of my videos. So check for that if you want. I don't know how many people watch this anyway. So yeah, that's about it. Bye everybody, and remember,